Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your laptop temperatures on LENOVO Yoga Book 9. To check your laptop temperatures, you should at first go to a browser and download a special app for it. So that will be named Core Temp, but actually I'm going to open it on the top screen so I can use my virtual keyboard since I don't have a keyboard attached. So let's search for Core Temp. Then open the ALCPU.com website. Make sure it's the official one because you can see there are lots of other websites and they may install some programs that have a virus in them. So make sure you're going to this exact ALCPU.com website. Then click on download under Core Temp and it will start downloading it. Once it is downloaded, you can open the file. Click on yes. Next, accept the agreement. You can also read it here. You can change the installation path or leave it on default and click on next. Then I highly recommend unselecting this option which says build your own kingdom with good game empire. It'll just install a game. We don't want it. You can create a desktop shortcut, but I don't need it. And then I don't need additional language packs, so I'm gonna leave it as well. Then install, next, and I'm gonna disable both of these things. Now let's search for Core Temp. Now as I enable it, I will see all my cores. I have 10 cores, you can see, going from 0 to 9. And the minimum temperatures are the temperatures, the lowest temperature since your laptop has been turned off in this session. So after you restarted, these minimum temperatures will reset and will be counted again. And the maximum is the maximum. The current one is right here. And you also can see the load. And the power usage, I'm using currently now 7 watts, but a moment ago I was using 1 watt. So that's basically everything about your temperatures. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.